Greasing and flouring a pan is an important step in baking to prevent your finished product from sticking to the sides of the pan. To do this, choose between butter or shortening to grease the pan. Oil-based sprays and vegetable oil should not be used. Scoop up shortening with a pastry brush or open a stick of unsalted butter to rub over the pan. Spread a thin layer of greasing agent on the bottom and sides of the pan. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons, 15 to 30 milliliters of flour to the greased pan, pinching it in between your fingers and sprinkling it all over. Pick up the pan and tilt it to cover the entire interior with flour, ensuring full coverage. If you're baking chocolate goods, consider using cocoa powder instead of flour to avoid a white residue on your final product. If your recipe calls for parchment paper as well, place it on top of the grease and flour to act as another non-stick barrier. Finally, pour your batter directly into the greased and floured pan and bake according to the recipe.